Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Turbo Trader on the Webull. First, open the Webull desktop application on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the platform, look at the main dashboard and go to the chart section. Now choose any stock so that the chart appears on your screen. After the chart loads, move your attention to the top right corner of the chart area. You will see an icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that icon to open a small menu. From this menu, select the option that says Add a Widget. A list of available widgets will appear. Scroll through the options and find Turbo Trader. Click on it to add it to your chart layout. Once Turbo Trader appears on your screen, you can begin customizing it. Look for the gear icon on the widget. Click on it to open the settings panel. Here, you can adjust order types, set quantity presets, and configure your buy and sell buttons based on your trading style. To execute trades, use the buy or sell buttons next to the price ladder. This allows you to quickly submit orders without leaving the chart. It is designed for fast decision-making. You can also explore additional options. For example, you can enable options trading settings and set up custom hotkeys to speed up your workflow. That is how you use Turbo Trader on Webull. Thanks for watching.